Inevitably, after almost every single mass shooting, we hear the same response from our media and the Democratic establishment. I want to also acknowledge that a lot of people who watch the show probably agree with that. But something I've always tried so hard to emphasize here is it's just not that easy. It has to do with our Constitution, the Second Amendment, a right to self-defense, and ultimately a level of authority that we are willing to provide our government over our lives. That has been conflated, though, somehow publicly with all gun violence in the eyes of the non-gun owning public. Furthermore, what weapons do they use? Because it's completely unconstitutional. There is no statistical evidence on a societal-wide scale that this would have any impact on mass shootings.